This is the village of Porvenir. It's a native Shipibo community off the Rio Ucayali. It's one of our model communities that we work with. We've been working with them for the number of years. The folks here have been collecting Unyanagato and some other botanicals for us for a long time, and it's a relationship based on trust and mutual respect, relationship that's really helped the community. Este tipo de amigos eche y trabaja con los herbes, con Unyanagato y otros en Estados Unidos, y eche todo tipo de negocios posible. Sangre de Drago. It's a Croton lecheri. It's a botanical name. It's a very fast-growing tree here in the Amazon. And one of its really unique properties is it bleeds this sap that looks just like blood. Therefore the name dragon's blood. And this sap is used for a few things. One, it's very excellent for dripping into wounds, even arterial wounds. It heals them very, very quickly. But the latest research shows that this sap, when dried, is 90% pure antioxidant.
Time to go to the temple, my friend.